The quality of a finished space begins in the places you cannot see. Markstone enhances the performance of interior stone with invisible technology, bringing greater value to every space. Since its establishment in 2000, Markstone has focused on a single technology. Even when unseen, its performance speaks for itself. That is the value we have upheld. Markstone has built trust by focusing on a single field. Interior stone used in various spaces around the world, adhesive technology that enhances its finish. This is what Markstone creates. Markstone's technology is built on exceptional strength and a uniform flow. It ensures stable workability even during application, making it easy for anyone to use. Near-perfect color matching keeps adhesive joints virtually invisible. Precision technology perfected through countless tests and rigorous quality control creates the greatest difference where it cannot be seen. Invisible to the eye, yet every bond is grounded in science. To ensure consistent performance under changing conditions, Markstone has never stopped researching technology. Not overlooking even a single drop, nor a single bond, we have pursued better performance with an R&D-driven manufacturing philosophy. More than 25 years of accumulated R&D and the precision of made-in-Korea quality lead to advanced color matching and high-strength bonding technology. In stone fabrication workshops, Markstone's adhesives are the key element that determines the final quality of the work. Among domestic interior stone adhesive companies, Markstone is the only one to obtain the Green Guard environmental certification, and through multiple authoritative certifications both in Korea and internationally, its technology and quality reliability have been officially recognized. Markstone's adhesive technology, based on reliability verified by international quality and environmental certifications, is recognized for its performance in interior projects worldwide. Born from accumulated technological expertise, Markstone's brand, Markspia. From acrylic solid surface to porcelain, 3 specialized solutions for bonding all types of stone. A specialized lineup that precisely reflects on-site needs. Markstone completes the future with technology, creating trust through technological precision, and carrying the future forward with technology for the environment. Technology built in unseen places ultimately becomes the trust behind every space. Beyond completing today, Markstone prepares the next space.